Now we can help you to grow or scale your company. And this is a problem because when companies are highly dependent on the founder point of view, and they say, we reach out to this point, and this is something that I heard many times. We reach out to this point, so we are going to continue coming to the market in this way because actually this worked for us. You reach a point where your ways to do things are not doable anymore, right? So there are requirements that actually the market sees and expect to see to support your growth or your scaling. So if you don't have that setting up correctly, then you have a problem because you're going to hit your head into the wall again and again and again. It's not because people doesn't get it. It's not because the people have a different view of the world. It's because the world operates in certain standards, requirements, compliance, taxes, etc., that are needed for you to comply with, so you can access to that capital, that growth, that scaling that you're looking for, right? So imagine, in other words, imagine this: if you go and scale the current setup to a bigger office with a separate desk or stand or positions, far away from the small office that you've been, with exactly same processes and systems that were people that were turning around, asking for somebody for something, turning around, doing their job, and then turning around and complete the job with somebody on the left. If you go into bigger office and each one has their own cubicle, but are separate like meters away from to the other, that turnaround thing, and it's a very silly example, but actually I've seen this happening. They have to walk to one person, come back, do their job, and walk to the next person to do the job. What do you think will happen with efficiency of time? It's going to drag the whole thing to the point that I say this is impossible. It's very messy, it's very complicated, it's very hard to do because you're not having the systems and processes in place to speed up the things independently where the people are sitting. And you say, well, that is silly. Because everybody will see this. That's correct. Everybody will see that a physical example. But when you are scaling your company, when you are growing your company, that is hard to see unless you are seeing the things from the far away of what is your operation